Dear students, I am Dilip Pandey and I am now just going to tell you physics for class 10. Yesterday I have given you some problems, but the second problem is almost correct. What is given by you, their answer, but there are some difficulties which has arisen in your first problem, and now I am going to solve these 5 questions which was given in this problem and see it clearly and mind it. In this question I have given you to find out the equivalent resistance between B and D. First of all, find where is B and where is D. This is B and this is D. Elongate this wire. And now look this figure very clearly. Both of these are continuously. If two resistors are continuously, there is no any wire. Yesterday I have told you that suppose that this is R1 and this is R2. At this time it is in series. But if you draw another wire so that some amount of current also flows through this, then this resistance, this series has already been cancelled. Now you cannot consider R1 and R2 in series. And there is the same question. As you are looking, 3 ohm and 6 ohm, these are continuously and there is no any extra wire between them. Therefore 3 and 6 both are in series, and therefore now your figure becomes 3 plus 6 means 9. It is 9 ohm. It is 9 ohm. Both of these are also in series. Therefore 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. This is 9 ohm. This is point D and it is point D. Now both of these three both are in parallel. Therefore you will calculate 1 by R equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9. That will be 3 by 9 is equal to 1 by 3, and hence equivalent resistance will be 3 ohm. This is the answer of the first question which was given, that you have to find out the equivalent resistance between B and D. Now second question is that, second is between A and B. Find out where is A and where is B. This is A and this is B. Elongate this wire. Now first of all look here, 6 ohm and 3 ohm, these two are in series. Therefore now your figure will be likewise this. 6 plus 3, that is also equal to 9. And this is B and it is D. This is 9 ohm. This is 9 ohm, 6 ohm and this is 3 ohm. It is A. 9 and 9 both are in parallel. Therefore, you will calculate 1 by R equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9, 2 by 9 means 9 by 2. And R1 is equal to 9 by 2 ohm. Now your figure is likewise this. This is A, this is B and this is D, which is 9 by 2. And it is 3 ohm, it is 6 ohm. Both of these are also again in series. Therefore, R2 will be 3 plus 9 by 2 means 2, 6 plus 9, 15 by 2 ohm. This is the value of R2. And now your figure is 15 by 2 and this is 6 ohm. A and it is B. Both of these are in parallel. Therefore equivalent resistance will be 1 by R is equal to 1 by 6 plus 2 by 15. Therefore it is 30. 5 plus 4, 9 by 30. 3 by 10. This is the value of 1 by R. Therefore R will be 10 by 3 ohm. This is the equivalent resistance between A and B. Now this is the third question in which you have to find out the equivalent resistance between C and D. First of all, find where is C and where is D. Now elongate this wire C and D, and this is your figure and you have to get the calculation. 6 plus 3, both of these are in series, therefore it will be 9, and now your figure will be 6 plus 3, 9 ohm. This is also 9 ohm. This is 6 ohm and this is 3 ohm. 9 and 9, both of these are in parallel, therefore it will be 9 by 2. By 2 ohm, and this is 6 ohm. This is D and it is C, D and C. And this is 3 ohm. This 9 by 2 and 3, both of these are in series. Therefore, R1 will be equal to 3 plus 9 by 2, 6 plus 9 by 2, 15 by 2. This is the value of R1. And now, if both of these becomes an equivalent resistance, then your figure will be likewise this. This is 15 by 2 ohm and this is 6 ohm. It is D and it is C. Both of these are in parallel. Therefore, equivalent resistance will be 1 by 6 plus 2 by 15. This is 30. 6 5 ja 15 2 4. 9 by 30. 3 by 10. 10 by 3 ohm. This is the answer to the third question.